Terry Vanderheiden here. As a professional commercial photographer, I know the challenges of getting the image right when I have total control over the entire set. Wildlife photography, on the other hand, is one of the most rigorous disciplines in the photography world. It may take David weeks or even months to get the exact image he's looking for. David's wildlife subjects are not the most cooperative or friendly to track and photograph. Not to mention the environment he has to deal with when shooting out in the wild. If you'd like to see some of David's wildlife photography, go to bozsikimagery.com.